Hello, my name is Nok. I'm a third year pharmacy student at UAMS, and today is my first time participating in Synergy Saturday. I'm so excited because I think it is a great opportunity for me to apply what I have learned so far to serve the community.
Hi, my name is Raven. I'm a third year pharmacy student as well at UAMS. This is also my first time volunteering with Synergy Saturday. I'm very excited to be here because I'm able to gain hands-on experience and interact with patients. I think it's a great opportunity just to bring awareness and resources to our community.
Hello, my name is Gage Standage. I'm also a third year pharmacy student at UAMS. I enjoy volunteering with Synergy Saturday because we get to hands-on experience what we learn in class, provide it to the community by providing free health screenings, blood sugar, blood pressure, basically educate them on what those values mean and ways that we can improve as a community, and just basically engaging people on how they can become advocates of their own health.